What's up, everyone? This is Donald with ComputeHub. We're a public cloud computing provider with a focus on low cost, easy to use CPU and GPU cloud computing and infrastructure as a service. Quick plug, if you haven't checked out our platform, you can check out our website, ComputeHub.io. And if you're interested in trying us out, we do offer a free trial credit to all new users so that you can try out ComputeHub with no obligations, and you don't need a credit card to sign up and get this credit. So it's totally obligation free. Today I'm going to show you a quick navigation tutorial and some different features within ComputeHub. If you want further tips and tricks on the ComputeHub platform, we do have other videos here on our YouTube page, or you can check out our written documentation page that I'll link in the description below. So when you first log into the platform, you'll typically be taken here to the dashboard screen where you'll be able to see all of the resources that you're currently using, along with where you're at when it comes to the maximum amount of resources currently allowed for you to use. This can be updated at any time. If you're looking to go over these limits, just reach out to us and contact us through email, and we'll go ahead and do that for you. In addition, on the screen, and actually always, you'll see your remaining credit or costs up here in the top right. So this is a great way for us to be transparent with you and just tell you, hey, here's how much remaining credit you have, or here's what your current costs are at this point in time. So you can always keep an idea of what you're going to be charged before you actually do get charged. So the main navigation is done here on the left hand side, where you'll see a bunch of options or categories. And so we'll go ahead and start off with clicking on compute. There'll be a handful of options. When you click on compute, you'll be taken straight into instances, and this is an overview of all your current instances that you have created, and you'll notice the state if they're running or not running. This is also where you can go ahead and click on add instance to go ahead and generate a new instance. I have a whole video on this as well that I'll link in the description on how to quickly create an instance. So go back to instances. You can drill down into any of your instances to see more details and drill down deeper. Within here as well, you're able to do different options. When you check mark it, you'll be given different options such as start, stop, destroy, reboot, whatnot. You'll also have these dots here by each of your resources and instances, and this is just another place to do some different things to your instances. Another key thing here within compute, SSH key pairs. These are the SSH keys that you've either generated from our platform or that you've imported to be able to use with your instances. We'll go ahead and go down here to storage. Some key things within storage, volumes. Here are all the volumes storage that are associated with your instances in the past or present, and it shows you the state. And again, you can drill down into all of these different things and see more details if you want. Snapshots are going to be snapshots of your volumes that you can keep here, or your instances, along with VM snapshots to be able to quickly spin up a new instance with an existing snapshot. Networks within here, you'll see your guest networks that are associated with your VMs. Again, you can drill down into here, and this is where you can get into your egress and firewall rules within the specific networks. The other way that I've shown in previous videos to drill down into the networks is by going into instances, clicking on the specific instance. You can go down to NICs, and then it'll show you that network that is associated with it to go ahead and continue doing your firewall and egress rules, which I also have a video about, and I'll link it in the description below as well. You can also see your public IPs that you currently have allocated, as well as there's options for VPN as well if you're interested in that. Images, Within here, you can create your own templates or upload them from the internet, as well as OSs using ISOs. If you don't want to use the ones that we have that we're currently offering, you can upload your own. And then really the other key thing here is billing. So within billing, the billing settings is where you upload your credit card details. If you don't have credit card information by the time your credit runs out, we will lock down your instances until you have a valid form of payment. So just something to keep in mind. If you need help with that at any point in time, go ahead and reach out to us. Also within billing is current charges. So this will show you, just based on an estimate of what your current charges for the month are, if you have any credit, how much that's being taken out, and just breaks it down through the different charge fields. And then invoices. This will show you all the previous invoices since your account's created, which you can view at any point in time. Within help, we do have a quick link to our help documentation, which will take you here to quickly look at any of our documents. So hey, if you want to create an instance, it's documentation right here to walk you through how to do it. Within help, you can also contact us, which will spin up an email to be able to contact us in. And lastly, we have an option to send us feedback. So if you have any feedback for us, suggestions, things that we can do to be better, we'd love to hear from you, and we'll definitely hook you up with some free credit based on your feedback, because we just want to improve and make our platform better. So yeah, that's a quick overview of the ComputeHub platform. Would love for you guys to stay engaged by subscribing to our YouTube channel, leaving any comments with feedback for us to work on, or suggestions for us. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.